Hello there, I'm Beth, and this month I'm collaborating with my friends. Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. We're getting together to enjoy Advent in the lead up to Christmas, and we've put together some gifts for each other. Die. We each made or chose 8 small surprise gifts for the other members of the group, and we posted them out to each other. Each of us received 3 parcels of 8 gifts each, so 24 in total. We will all release a video per day, opening and showing an item we have randomly chosen, so be sure to pop by each of our channels. I will tag the other channels in my description box each day so you can find them easily, and I plan to upload my videos at the same time each day. Here are my 3 parcels containing gifts. I'll be able to tell who each parcel is from by the wrapping paper they've used, but I will mix them all up and try to choose randomly each day. These are from Tammy with the very cute wrapping paper. These are from Jay with the metallic heart paper. And these are from Marna with her trademark glittery paper. Let's mix them all up in here, and for today, I'll choose one to open and share with you. I have a card from Marna here. And a little one from Jay. And some big ones from Tammy. I might split them between 2 bowls. There. Okay, let's choose one at random as much as I can. Okay, and these were from Tammy. It's a rattly one. Wonderful. Oh, fantastic. Oh, we have a plastic box with some really beautiful coat hangers inside. Oh, these are really, really nice. Definitely be using these. They'll have to go on display. They're so pretty. So we have a set of 4 coat hangers and a little pair of pink shoes as well. I will be including some detail shots so you can see better. Oh, they're so cute. Some little pink Mary Jane shoes, which I think are they must be for Neo Blythe or maybe even Midi Blythe, with some socks on, we shall see. So I'll definitely try them on somebody. Well, there we go. Today's gift from Tammy. Thank you so much. What a lovely first gift for this month. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again tomorrow for some more surprises, and we will certainly have a lovely collection by the end of this month. Please leave a like and comment and let me know what you thought of today's gift. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.